this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and welcome back to another episode of Key Machine Battle. Now today we're going to be putting up a duplicator, which happens to be the Flash up against the Blue Punch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate or originate 5 quickset keys, and we're going to see which one is faster and also take a look at the effort required to do it. Right? So the scenario we're looking at here is that if in your shop you had to duplicate 5 keys, is it going to be quicker and easier to just duplicate them here on the Flash or to punch them out on the Blue Punch? Today I have Amber with me. Amber, thanks for coming on.
Thank you.
How long have you been a locksmith for?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years, awesome. And what made you want to get into the locksmithing industry?
I was doing it for a hobby and then might as well do it for money.
Awesome. And Mario, thanks for coming on here.
Sure.
Now, full disclosure here, Mario is my uncle. Now Mario, how many keys would you say you've cut over the past 6 years?
Oh, a couple 100,000.
Couple 100,000. Awesome. Perfect. Well, guys, thanks for coming on here with me. And let's go ahead and I'll have you guys cut the keys, and then we'll get on. We'll kind of talk about it for a few minutes at the end.
Okay.
All right, go for it. Alright, well, it looks like it was about the same amount of time. Now, watching you guys both, it really kind of seems that it was similar effort kind of put in, right? I mean, you're making sure you're tracing the key right. Mario, you're over here and you're having to move that slide back and forth to make sure you're hitting the right depth, right? Now, Amber, what would you say if you had to cut 5 keys, like quickset keys, Schlage keys, what would you say you would want to cut them on?
I'm more used to this one, but I would say this one just because the accuracy. Well, I mean, that one's accurate too, but I know where I'm at on the key on this one.
Okay.
That one, it's kind of do or die. This one, I can kind of regulate where I'm at.
Okay.
So on and so forth.
So you like how the duplicator feels when you're cutting it,
right?
Essentially,
right.
Feel like you have maybe more control over it.
Yeah.
Okay. Mario, how about you?
Well, depending on how many I'm cutting, normally I cut hundreds at a time, so I'm used to using the automatic machine.
Sure.
So I would probably say the automatic over that for speed.
Okay.
Accuracy, this does an excellent job.
Okay.
I mean, the cuts are accurate. You don't have to worry about it. Sometimes, you know, on the automatic, if you don't have it in absolutely right,
Exactly, yeah.
you do have a chance of...
Kind of a problem, kind of like this one, yeah.
Same with that. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome, guys. Well, hey, thank you guys very much for coming on, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.
Thank you.